See, we got a rotten stem on SDM 13, so we're gonna have to cut this all out. Cut this all out. And all gotta come out. All this rottenness. Whatever SDM 13 was, she just rotted to beat the band. So we're going to clean it up as good as we can for now. Get all this nastiness out of here. Hopefully the stem's going to survive and this rot isn't going to carry on. I'm not going to be here for a little bit, so let's clean it up now and see how well it takes. See if it dries up next time I see it, because I'll be working on the other side of the plantation. If she dries up nice, we'll be fine. Okay, we'll tie this back up again. Let that start drying out. Really nasty that was. Hopefully it's going to heal now. Let's check the rest. Make sure we have no more difficulties here with rotting dragon fruit. Oh yeah, we got one over there. Looks like on that side. Have to fix that up. Clean this knife a little bit. The rest are doing okay, I guess. Except one of them I saw. It looked like it was starting to rot. So we'll cut this out. It's like a cancer in dragon fruit. You cut it out. Yeah, this is all soft. All this yellow out. Go right down to the green if you can. I'll try and show you what I'm doing better here. Lots of dirt in there. I'm trying to cut all this soft stuff out of here. Soft tissue. Get rid of all the soft tissue. check it again. Maybe tomorrow. See if it dried up. Oh, it's not. Oh, there's another one here. Look at this. Wow. Just when I thought I was done. There we go. Get that out. Maybe she'll be fine. I hope I didn't cut out the marker. Whatever fruit this is. It's the M22. It's growing good from the bottom though, the shoot in the bottom. Make sure all that rotted material stays away from it. And then we'll check the rest of these. This one I cut it out another day and it's doing good. It dried right up. Oh, that thorn grass took. Okay. The rest of them are looking pretty good. So we'll see how they are in the morning, I guess. Take a quick peek on this side. See this one that I cut out? It all dried up. It's nice. SDM5. This side looks okay. So we're done for the day for dragon fruit fixins.